Excellencies, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. As you spend the next 2 weeks debating, negotiating, persuading, and compromising, as you surely must, it's easy to forget that ultimately the emergency climate comes down to a single number: the concentration of carbon in our atmosphere. The measure that greatly determines global temperature. And the changes in that one number is the clearest way to chart our own story, for it defines our relationship with our world. For much of humanity's ancient history, that number bounced wildly between 180 and 300. And so too did global temperatures. It was a brutal and unpredictable world. At times, our ancestors existed only in tiny numbers. But just over 10,000 years ago, that number suddenly stabilized. And with it, Earth's climate. We found ourselves in an unusually benign period, with predictable seasons and reliable weather. For the first time, civilization was possible, and we wasted no time in taking advantage of that. Our burning of fossil fuels, our destruction of nature, our approach to industry, construction, and learning are releasing carbon into the atmosphere at an unprecedented pace and scale. We are already in trouble. Is this how our story is due to end? Perhaps the fact that the people most affected by climate change are no longer some imagined future generation, but young people alive today. Perhaps that will give us the impetus we need to rewrite our story. We are, after all, the greatest problem solvers to have ever existed on Earth. We know how to stop the number rising and put it in reverse. A new industrial revolution, powered by millions of sustainable innovations, is essential and is indeed already beginning. Nature is a key ally. Wherever we restore the wild, it will recapture carbon and help us bring back balance to our planet. And as we work to build a better world, we must acknowledge no nation has completed its development, because no advanced nation is yet sustainable. We're going to have to learn together how to achieve this, ensuring none are left behind. We must use this opportunity to create a more equal world. And our motivation should not be fear, but hope. If, working apart, we are a force powerful enough to destabilize our planet, surely, working together, we are powerful enough to save it. Thank you.